DJT, Dow Jones what? Transportations. What do transportations do in the broader economy? Well, I can tell you what. FedEx is here again. Trucker JB Hunt. Basically, you got some airlines in here, and you got UPS in here, and we're in the Christmas season, and you got the rails in here, and you got Expedia in here. So basically, this particular index leads rallies higher, and you always want to see the Dow Jones Transportations working. Now, these are the names. If this index isn't working, then that means that the economy is extremely weak. These names are held by institutions and mutual fund managers in the broader community. We had now look at how the Dow Transports led the rally. Back here a year ago at the same time frame, they always are going to lead rallies. They always will. They have to. But then they're going to take markets down like they did here last year. They'll lead the rallies down and the broader markets will follow. Right now, you can take a look at this calendar 12 2000 chop shop that we've had in these transports. These are the lows. We've already broke the calendar 2012 low on that first correction. That's where it started, January 2012. We undercut it, but then again we rallied back up, but we got a wall of resistance here. And I can tell you that if the transports go into a weekly sell signal, this is the time of year where the transport should be doing well, but you're below the 50 week, you're below the 20 week, you're below the 100 week, and you're sitting at the lower end of the 10-week moving average, and you've undercut it. You break this line right here, the broader markets will sell off. If transports cannot hold up, then we have more downside in the broader markets because you got to have a major support level and you have to have a consolidation level. If you break down, we get into what we call bear reversals from bull in this Dow Jones Transportation. I will tell you once again, it's an all wide world alert in these names. There are bellwethers in here. We'll be looking at FedEx. You know, we know all about it. They've guided down a couple of times this year. If they're not sending a lot of inventory around the country, meaning that it's got to be transported, then that means that people are selling less, and that means consumers are spending less. There's a bigger correlation in looking in the long picture with the analysis that we do here. Beware that this is not a bull. Until you're back above these key weekly moving averages at 5,100 here, and you're holding a support level over here, this is a very vulnerable part of the market. Once again, Dow Jones Transports is a major part of this economy, and it's a major part of Wall Street, and it's a major part of everything that we do, live and breathe in our lifetimes on how things are shipped around the U.S. and worldwide.